off. Damn, I just took 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 off.
What's up? Papa up in the house. So put this glazing spot putty on here. Trying to get some of the lines out and everything. So went ahead and sanded this one down with a 220 sandpaper right here. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and hit over this one with the 220. And that should get all of the lines out. Not completely dry yet, but it should sand smooth. There we go. So I brought some of this Rust-Oleum high build filler primer. Ooh, it's a little rough right there, but sand that down real quick. It's good to go. So now since we got the pieces primered down, looking nice, we're gonna go ahead and put some of this color coat on there. It's black, so try to see what this looks like. Shake this can up and spray one of them down, and let's see how it turns out. We got this prime color of headliner material. I'm gonna wrap around them and get this going. I won't film that part. All it is just wrapping this up and getting it going. I took off the back, the foam backing off of it, so I can get this thin layer. So let's go ahead and get that done. Yeah, man, it is. The press fitted in real well, so I don't really have to do anything to these. But what I am going to do is add a little hot glue on here, try to keep them in place, just to kind of make sure. Put a little hot glue right there. This hot glue is easy to, scrape off. I need to take these in and out. By Xanax. I don't think I will. But everything lined up well on this one. So look alright. Look alright for a little amateur. Look alright. Yeah. Nah, just kidding. So I'll get this one put in the car, and on my next upcoming video I'll go back to these and show you what they look like inside the car. But anyways, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Achoo, man. That's it. Peace out.